The 1125 LPC dust extractor is the newest Mirka dust extractor model to hit our store. The same size as the previous model, 1025 LPC. You might be wondering, what is the difference between the two? The new 1125 LPC model has a more powerful motor when compared with the previous model, the 1025, offering higher airflow and vacuum capabilities. The 1125 also operates at a lower noise level compared to the 1025. And lastly, the 1125 is anti-static, making it safer and better performing. Let's take a quick look at its features. The 1125 dust extractor is compact and lightweight, making it easy to take to a job site or move around the workshop. It's fitted with a push-and-clean filter system. It has an AutoStart function. When the dust bag is removed, it's suitable for wet sanding. The Mirka 1125 LPC dust extractor is an all-round, easy-to-use solution to eliminate dust in your workshop. Daily and long-term exposure to dust is a significant occupational hazard. Mirka is your solution to a clean and dust-free working environment.